Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for being here. I'm glad you're here and I'm glad I'm here. Today, a vacuum, a car vacuum. It's for dry and wet use, wireless vehicle vacuum cleaner. Now, I've tried this once already, okay, just to give you the heads up. I've already tried it. I think it's an awesome vacuum. We're gonna demonstrate for you now. Look at that thing. Tiny, but it's powerful. Comes with a hose. It's got the little brush for the tip and the normal one. And it's got the hose here, the hose adapter, and charger. It's USB charger. Okay. Don't judge me for the dirtiness of the car, okay? We got kids. You know how it is. Kids make messes, okay? And where we live, it's pretty much desert around here, so there's always dust. So, you can see, simple, on off. Lock this, or unlock. You just twist it. Here we go. Now watch how quiet this is. Maybe if the plane isn't so loud. Not very loud. Sounds pretty powerful too, huh? Okay. I don't know if you can tell some dirt right here, right? Doesn't seem like it's got a lot of suction. Sometimes it may not pick something up, but it's picking up all the dust underneath. Put the little tip on. Super simple. There you go. Okay, that's straight out of the box. I haven't charged it yet, so maybe it'll be more suction if I charge it fully. But this is the second time I used it. I haven't charged it, straight from the box. Now let's see how much dirt we picked up. I don't know if you can tell, you can see all that dust? Oh, there's a lot in there. And then here's the stuff it picked up. So a lot of times you can't see what's picking up, and then sometimes it doesn't look like it's picking anything up, but it's still picking up all that dust under there. So it's pretty nice. It was fairly cheap. It's easy to assemble. USB charge. I liked it. It's nice and easy. It's easy, convenient. I don't have to bring an extension cord out here and a big old vacuum to lug around to just vacuum out the car. I could do it with this. Sometimes you might need a bigger vacuum, but this works great. So if you really want a small, tiny, convenient vacuum that's for wet and dry use, here you go. I'll put it in the description. And that's basically all I got, guys. Hope you enjoy the videos. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff, you know. And until next time.